Hi everyone, my name is Sharice Jackson and I'm the EOF Admissions Counselor at Montclair State. Today, we're going to talk about costs, scholarships, and the value of a Montclair State education. Let's get started. This is the breakdown of our costs, but for the most up-to-date information on tuition and fees, visit the URL listed here. We'll also include it in the description. We offer 2 merit-based scholarships for high-achieving students, the Presidential Scholars Program and the National Student Scholarship. The Presidential Scholars Program is designed for New Jersey's most talented and successful students. Presidential Scholars receive a total scholarship of $20,000 for their 4 years of study and receive special academic and career preparations like integrated learning communities, career development plans, leadership development certificate program, and more. To be eligible, you must be a New Jersey resident, have a GPA of a 3.5 or higher, and have a demonstrated record of rigorous high school study. The National Student Scholarship offers in-state tuition to academically qualified students from across the country. That's a savings of nearly 40%. To be eligible, you must be an out-of-state high school student with an unweighted GPA of at least 3.0. Montclair State offers unique opportunities that allow students to save time and money, including the Red Hawk Advantage Summer Program, 38 5-year combined degree programs, which is more than any other institution in the state, and our early college programs. We also accept many financial aid options. We're a valued institution that will provide you with the quality, variety, and academic environment at a highly competitive cost. With more than 74% of our students receiving some form of financial aid, our commitment to affordability will make it easier for you and your family to make a smart and practical financial investment. Please let us know if you have any questions by visiting this link. Here, you'll find our counselor emails and our social media channels.